5 Best Kidney Cleansing Drinks You Should Try. The kidneys are one of the most important organ in the body. They act as filters for the blood to help remove impurities from the body, in the form of urine. A good diet along with adequate hydration and regular intake of any of the kidney-friendly beverages below, will keep them working at their optimal levels. 1. Beet Juice. Beet juice has beneficial benefits for the urinary tract due to its betaine content. Betaine is a powerful antioxidant which, like cranberry juice, increases urine acidity, therefore inhibiting bacterial growth. It also helps prevent buildup of struvite and calcium, which in turn helps reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. 2. Cranberry Juice. Cranberry juice is the most popular remedy for the urinary tract. This juice helps ward off the bacterial growth that leads to urinary tract infections. This happens by increasing the acidity of the urine, which makes it more difficult for bacteria to adhere to the urinary tract. 3. Juice cleanses. Fruit and vegetable juice blends are highly effective way to cleanse the kidneys. This is because these juice blends are rich in antioxidants, minerals and vitamins, which help to detoxify the body and reduces the workload of the kidneys and liver. Fruits such as apples, citrus, pears and peaches are perfect when combined with vegetables like cucumbers, kale and spinach. 4. Homemade drinks. For the kidney cleansing drink you can make at home, combine drinking water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar and a supplement called Renol-Trex. The ingredients in Renol-Trex helps to strengthen and detoxify the kidneys. This is essential in supporting overall renal health. 5. Lemon juice. Regular consumption of lemon juice will help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. It is highly acidic, which helps in dissolving stones and increases urinary citrate levels, which also fights stone formation. For a quick and easy cleanse, take 1 quart of water and combine the juice of 4 to 5 lemons. You can drink it up after